Hey everyone, it's Kelly France and I'm feeling a little better this week now that I've had my CPAP machine. So I wanted to hop on because I got some freaking exciting mail that I've been waiting for a while now from Rachel Zoe's subscription box. Do you see how giant this is? I'm gonna have to back up. Look how big this is. It's from Curateur. Let's see, where's the real, there, Curateur. And it's from Rachel Zoe, which I'm obsessed with Rachel Zoe. Who here is a Rachel Zoe fan? I've been watching her since her reality TV show, which I watched every episode of. I love her style. And so I cannot wait to see what's in here. I haven't opened it yet. I'm dying to see. I got this box for myself to treat myself when I rank advanced in our company to Diamond National Executive Director. This was kind of a splurge, and so I'm super excited to see what's in it. If any of you guys get this subscription, let me know. I'm curious what you think of it, but this is my first time getting it. It's a seasonal subscription. It's only quarterly. So I ordered it a few months ago when I hit that rank, and it finally came, and I cannot wait to see what's in it. So we're going to unbox this bad boy, and I will reveal all the goodies that are in it. Supposedly it's supposed to have around like 5 to 6 items in it, and they're kind of bougie luxury items. And it's supposed to be valued around like $400 to $700. So, we shall see. We'll see what I end up getting in this box. But, oh wow. And you know, Rachel Zoe has like insane style. So of course, right when you open the box, it looks amazing. And you get this fabulous catalog here with Rachel Zoe on it. This is Rachel Zoe if you don't know who she is. And just, you know, little postcard. And then, oh my goodness, I'm excited. Okay, and then let's start with the small stuff, and then I'll show you the big stuff. So, let's find out what this is first. This looks like sunglasses here. Yes, indeed. And you know what's fun is you get to pick some of the items that are in there. So I kind of went through when I ordered it and picked out the things that I liked, and I kind of forgot what I picked, so it's kind of fun to get it now. But these are some nice sunglasses from Le Specs. I don't know the fancy sunglasses brands because I break sunglasses a lot, so I always buy cheap ones that are like $20 because I always break sunglasses. So anyway, I don't know if that's a fancy brand or not. I don't know all the fancy brands. That's not really my style, but we'll see how they look. Oh, those are fun. That's surprising that it actually looks decent on me because usually sunglasses are like too giant for my face. So I like those. What do you guys think? Those are fun. So yay. These look like a nice pair, like quality stuff. That's what I was excited about. Rachel Zoe does things well, and so you know that the stuff in here is going to be like quality items. Okay, so I don't remember what's in here, but this is heavy. This is heavy, so I can't wait. I'm guessing it's jewelry. It's Eddie Bourgeot. Nobody knows. Oh, yes, please. Look at this. It is a chain necklace. Oh, that is a dream. And it's like so wrapped up so well that it will take me a hot minute to get it off. And I do not want to wrestle that in front of you. But look at that beautiful chain. That's like well made. Oh, I like that. I like that. Yes. Yeah, all this stuff. Look at the gold. That's like beautiful, beautiful jewelry right there. If you guys are wanting to know how to get a Rachel Zoe Curateur, I don't know how you say it. That's how it sounds. But if you guys want to get one, this is not sponsored. You can go to, it's curateur.com. So it's Curateur.com. That's her website. It used to be called Box of Style. And then in 2020, it evolved into this new brand. So this is how you spell it. Do you see that? Okay, let's move on to the next item. Looks like there's some fun beauty finds. So this is from Anastasia, which is a great brand of makeup. And it is a lipstick set, a matte lipstick set. Ooh, I'm excited for this. These colors look kind of magic. These are the colors that it came with. Those are fun. Oh, you guys know I love me some lipsticks. So let's see how it looks. But yeah, this is a really nice brand of lipstick. So that's fun. They're cute little mini sets. Oh, that's really fun. So there you go. And the great thing about this is, like, if you don't use it, these are great gifts to give, you know, for Christmas. Okay, the next item is a nice makeup brush, also from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is I do know that that's a good brand of, that looks like a good brush. Yeah. I like that. Okay, what else do we have here? More Anastasia makeup. This is a highlighter in Perla. So we shall see. I hate opening things in front of you guys. It's like, okay, there we go. Ooh, that's pretty. It has like a shimmer to it. It's a face highlighter, and it has like a pearlescent kind of thing going on here. So I'm guessing you do like kind of this thing for that glow. That's what I'm guessing. There I go, flipping you guys off again. I flip people off a lot unintentionally in my videos. Like when I'm doing my nails and stuff. Anyway, so that's fun. So I got some fun makeup. And then finally, this last but not least is this giant maroon bag. This is a beautiful bag. And like, you can tell this is like high quality. So let's see. Let's see what is in this bag. Again, there's no elegant way or graceful way to open these things. Okay. It's like a maroon color. It says Rachel Zoe on it. And it has like this knotted. That is dreamy. So fun. I die. I'm dead. That's what Rachel always says. That's bananas. Bananas. For those of you that watch her show. Anyway, there you have it. That's all the goodies. That's so fun. Like this giant tote bag plus this dreamy chain that I'm going to put on as soon as I'm done. Beautiful high quality sunnies. And then all these makeup goodies. These 3 makeup goodies. So fun. So fun. Okay, that did not disappoint. So I'm excited. I can't wait to get my next subscription in the next season. I'm guessing in the spring. I don't know. That's the great thing. It'll be a surprise, and then it'll just come in the mail, and it'll be a fun surprise. So then, so I will go live and show you the next box whenever it comes. So anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.